extension. There he is. Oh,
What?
and now you can't see my face. Hey, how's it going?
Oh, hey, what's up? Can you hear me okay?
I can hear you.
All right, good.
Yeah, we got you. Make
What's
sure
up,
my.
everyone?
Well, Chris, how should we start this shindig off?
It's your biz. Go ahead and get it started. Do your thing.
All right. Well, I'll do a little teaser first to show kind of some of the stuff that I got today from you. These are
Oh,
his
hey.
new Line Punch Forge Lion Claws, which are soldering assistants. Okay. One of these is for moi. I placed an
Of
order
course.
for it through his online shop, so I will be hoarding one of these. But we're going to talk about our joint giveaway here real quick. As far as a joint giveaway, Chris and I want to do a joint giveaway that has to do with PMRS, which is the Precious Metals Refining Services. I got a bucket like, what would this have been now? Like 2 weeks ago?
Oh, yeah.
And cleaned my shop, did everything we were supposed to do. We did a pretty extensive live about how to properly clean your shop. Chris also has a really thorough YouTube video on how he cleaned his shop to get stuff sent off to PMRS. And we decided it would be fun to do a giveaway where I give away a pair of my sterling silver recycled studs, reclaimed studs, they call them. And then Chris was so generous and is offering to give away one of these.
Yeah.
So that's why I said it's more like a Metalsmith
And
giveaway.
they're $40 retail. So I mean
Yeah.
it's not like a skimpy giveaway.
No, this is pretty standard. And I
Great.
retail these for like 35 or 40 in my shop, depending on what you pick. And then yours is 50.
No,
What's the
mine's
retail on
mine's
these?
40 retail.
40. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean the same person will get both of these. If you don't want to wear the earrings, you have a built-in gift for someone else, right? That's not
Built-in
Metalsmith.
gift.
Um, so these are awesome. I'm really excited to use mine and experiment with it. It's got variable weight for pressure when you're soldering. I do an okay amount of sweat soldering. And I don't know if you guys saw, but that pendant I just finished was 5 layers of metal. The one with the mountains and the lake and the kayak and all of that. And I had to sandwich some copper in between there too. So something like this would have really come in handy like a
So
week
it
ago.
was a slight redesign from the prototype there, Charity. I don't know if you saw the prototype compared to this one or not. So hold it up so it's kind of profile-y. So flip flip it like like it's hot.
Flip it like
So
it's hot. What does that
the
mean?
plumb is down. There you go. So you can take the rubber band off, the bandy. Let's see some hearts for that thing. And then take the washer, slide it all the way up the shaft, and then down towards the needle. So there's 5 of them there, and usually it varies the overall downward pressure of the soldering block by, I think I had figured it for most of them around 20 to 30 grams.
Yeah,
So
I remember that because you actually set this next to a very sensitive scale
correct.
and had this pressure point on it, and you were recording the weight of pressure on it as you slid each one of these
Yep,
washers onto it.
yep.
Super genius and very
And then
easy.
the tip of it can either be used as straight down prong, like you have it there, or I have started to bend some of them like a shoe. So
Okay.
outward, so down and then shoe. So you basically have a either the rounded part of the bend can push down on the metal,
May
or you
I?
can
I'm gonna
have,
go grab some round nose pliers and
oh,
show
you
them,
may.
and I'll make this one
I do
mine.
flats.
This one will be mine, guys.
All right.
So we're gonna adjust it while Chris is talking.
So just a 45 degree or
We kind of had
90.
it like this-ish,
Yeah,
but more.
that's it. That or you can go more if you really wanted to. That's the nice thing is that so those tips used to be spring steel, and I have redesigned them to be 16 gauge titanium. So they're long enough that if you want to, you can file it down or you can bend it, cut it off, whatever. But the prong there, the stick out of is titanium and it is long enough to be able to
Yeah, and I like you said, this is a little modified from like the very first version you came out of because the initial one you had like a notch in the neck for
Correct.
sliding the washers into, and instead you've kind of hammered out and like kind of mushroomed to this tip here so that the weight actually literally goes down above the
Right,
point there
it's
for
going to be
pressure.
holding
So
that.
that's great. Very
That was
cool.
some scientific research that went into that. Rawr.
Lion's claw, right?
Mhm. That's it. That's it.
Yeah, that's rad. Thank you so much. So, if you guys are wondering how you're supposed to be able to win our giveaway that we're doing, look at now I have two lion claws.
Rawr.
Um, so you're gonna win a lion's claw from Chris, and then a pair of reclaimed sterling silver studs from me, that are like a Navajo style, handmade in shop from the Ghost Town Metalworks business. I melt down that metal and then I reform it and everything like that. So that's why they're reclaimed.
Right. Is
Um,
this in the
um,
U.S. for everyone?
yeah, for everyone. So this is how you're gonna win when I get my check back from Precious Metal Refining Services. Um, we are going to go through once this video is uploaded. Correct, Chris? You're gonna
Correct.
comment on this video and guess at what you think my return check is going to be from PMRS for the scrap bin I sent in, and there was a little bit of mixed gold in there too. It was mostly silver. I had over a pound of scrap silver-ish, more or less, but you don't know. Fine silver, regular silver, lots of solder in there, chain. I mean, you don't know what you're gonna actually get as your turnout, right? I had like an 18 karat gold chain chunks I'd put in there, some 10 karat gold rings. Some of them needed to have the stones pulled out. There was a lot of stuff I put in there, plus all of the sweeps out of my shop, sandpaper, broken saw blades. So I'm gonna try to get the silver off, vacuuming the dust out of my chair. So a lot of variables in here for what my check is going to be. So whoever guesses the closest to the check that I get in US dollars will be winning these. But there was one side note I wanted to say. If someone guesses a dollar amount with pennies after it, and then someone else guesses the same dollar amount with like two less, two more pennies or whatever, and the answer lies in the middle between the two, the person with the number under instead of over would be the winner. Just wanted to throw that out in advance. That's a pretty standard,
Disclaimer.
like, I'm from Nevada. It's all about gambling. You don't want to go over.
You're a gamer.
So those will be the rules for that. So we will get this IGTV uploaded this time since we'll actually have it recorded. And then it'll be the official giveaway that way on my YouTube channel. You can do in the comments on YouTube
If
also.
you're not already subscribed to Charity's YouTube channel, part of the entry is subscribing to the YouTube channel and leaving a comment on the video. So if you're just on Instagram and you leave a comment, it's probably best that you leave all of those comments on the YouTube channel
Oh, yeah.
because that way they're going to be tracked. They don't have to go back and forth to uh, two different places to see what the numbers are. So it's probably best. I mean, it's your game here, but it's probably best that whoever goes to enter goes to your YouTube channel, hits subscribe, shares it, just smashes the crap out of that subscribe button, and then share it with your friends. She's only got like 2 videos, but they're both decent.
You're so kind. Buy one testing video and then the other one.
But we're
But
gonna get
that
we're
is
gonna get
so
that
for anyone
going.
that doesn't know, getting videos up on YouTube that are like how-to videos or whatnot, or showing how to use tools, how to create something. That is something that is a goal for Ghost Town Metalworks, especially for 2020 to get going on. So that's why we'll be uploading that. I guess we should be uploading the IGTV here as a teaser, but yeah, we'll say the entries need to be over on the actual YouTube video itself, and you have to be subscribed there and hopefully here on Instagram to Go Sell Metalworks. And Lion Punch Forge, yeah, you're part of this giveaway too, man.
Yeah,
So
throw some
Chris also
subscribes.
has a YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe there also.
I'm almost to 2K right now. So
Awesome.
at 2K, that means that I'm doing a giveaway. And
Wow.
so basically it's the same thing. So Charity and I are doing the exact same giveaway right now. Not like the same stuff, but if you go onto my channel and you guess the same thing on the giveaway, you could get a Green Lion soft ring, a thing of Verlife lube, and a saw blade organizer. So all you really have to do, Charity and I are copying each other on this whole thing. It's awesome. It's awesome copiness.
Inspired by.
Inspirational, copyrational. Copy.
Yes.
We're doing a copyrational thing here. So if you win both, you could end up with both. You're just winning them from two different channels. So, yeah, yeah. Charity's got a YouTube channel, and it's amazing. If her work, it's amazing the
I'm gonna
concept
have
of
you
it
write
because
resumes for me or cover letters.
yeah, it's what I do. I'm a spin doctor. But honestly, if you guys love what Charity's doing on Instagram, that methodology, that business plan, everything that she's doing there, it's it's going to be mirrored in the YouTube channel. The whole idea is that's why Charity and I get along so well, is that we both have the same philosophies when it comes to helping people, doing the right thing and making sure all this knowledge and stuff is out there for everybody and passing it on, paying it forward. And that's kind of what we're all about. So we just it's
Heck
I'm
yeah.
a firm believer that knowledge is power, but it's only power if you share it,
Yes,
because
I agree.
otherwise it's nothing.
Yep, I totally agree. So on Chris's giveaway, go scroll in his videos on YouTube, subscribe to his YouTube channel, and then go scroll and look for his precious metal refining services video and watch it because you'll actually see everything that he's loading in those buckets and then comment on that. And like he said, his giveaway
Comment
that
on the
he's
giveaway
doing.
one.
What's that?
Comment on the giveaway one.
Yeah.
There's two
Okay. Yeah. So the
videos.
giveaway
Yeah.
one. And then he's going to be picking a winner when someone actually guesses the number. Is that what you decided? Or when
Uh,
you hit 2K?
we have some very close-ish guesses right now, but I'm at 1,811 subscribers on YouTube right now. And as soon as I hit 2K, I'm going to announce that winner. So if
Awesome.
you are already a subscriber, do your best to, recommend the channel to some friends. So
Awesome. Yay. So yeah, so you can win both mine and Chris's giveaways. So Chris is just happening to also pour some extra love into my giveaway with the lion's claw. So appreciative for that. That's super awesome and very generous.
success
Um,
isn't fun unless you bring your friends along with you.
it's true. The more the merrier, right?
Yeah,
It gets lonely at the top if you're all by yourself at the top, but
it
if you're at
does.
the top
It's
with
best to
friends,
build other people up as with you. You don't build a pyramid by going in a straight line up. You go like this. You
that's right.
bring
I love
everyone else
that.
with you.
I love that. So those are the instructions for it. This video itself, when it gets uploaded onto my YouTube, and if you're subscribed to notifications, you'll see when it uploads. Then you'll make your guess in the comments section there for what you think the dollar amount is for my check. Um, I have like maybe not very many followers on YouTube, so maybe we'll do a similar thing like Chris. How about this? When I get like 100, a
Oh, you
hundred
get that.
subscribers,
You
then
can
I
get that
give
in a
away.
day. You're like one day.
Well, that would be great because I might be getting my check like tomorrow. So this could be a really fast turnaround thing.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. I sent my bucket off last week, so it's totally possible.
Yeah, you'll
Uh,
probably find out how much is in it within the next 2, 3 days.
yeah, I bet so. So I'll dial in at that number. I get 100 subscribers on YouTube, then I'll do my giveaway, and whoever got the closest will win the stuff from my giveaway, which is the reclaimed studs and then soldering assistance here. Well,
Every,
sending love to all of you people all over the world from Washington State, and I could say that for both Chris and myself
oh,
because
yeah.
we both live here. So thank you everyone for joining, and we will see you soon. Thanks, Chris.
See ya.